here at Super Sprint Clinic dito sa BFCT Exhibit Center, Marikina City. Okay guys, ito, kasama ko na ang isang instructor dito sa Super Sprint Clinic.
Hello
Sir,
guys.
JP Castellano. Boss,
Magandang araw po sa lahat ng nanonood.
Boss.
Hello po from Marikina, from BFCT.
Yes, okay, yan. Arriba to si Sir JP, yan ang kagandahan dito. Boss, anong oras pa tayo nag-start kanina?
Well, kanina nag-start tayo ng registration, mga 8 a.m. Tapos we have more than 30 participants so far enjoying our day today, learning about car control and autocross driving.
Yun, okay. So, guys, ito, I'm sure, curious na kayo sa mga questions natin kay Sir JP. Ako tanong ulit to, boss, no? Sir JP, ano bang mga tinuturo dito sa Super Sprint?
Basically, Super Sprint Clinic is an autocross clinic. Ang ginagawa natin sa mga open area na ganyan, naglalagay tayo ng layout ng cones. We will do a driving course for people to drive on, and we measure their lap times. Yun yung performance basis natin dun sa takbo nila sa may yung lap time ng driver ng car. So basically, ganoon, meron tayong timing system, and nag-design si Sir Robert ng course natin, laid out by pylons or cones na kulay orange. And tinuturo yan sa umaga. After the registration, we walk the track and we show them which way to go, the directions. And then, right now, we're doing the practice run.
Practice run. So, kailangan talaga, Sir JP, pag magsasali ka ng clinic, medyo ka na maaga ka rin talaga.
Yes, para ma-enjoy natin yung, yung opportunity, makapila tayo at makarami tayo sa practice run.
And siguro, share ko lang, Sir JP, no? Ako, as a tumatangkilik sa Super Sprint, racing also at Super Sprint, minsan pag hindi ka maaga, hindi ka na nakapag-walk through.
Yeah. Saka minsan parang mas-stress ka na kasi hindi ka nakapag-practice, hindi mo na narinig yung briefing. Medyo, di ba, medyo pagilid ka, hindi mo ma-enjoy yung araw mo. Start early, you have all the opportunity to relax after the briefing and learn the course properly.
Yes, so yun ang maganda. So JP, syempre, ano ba kailangan ni driver before entering the clinic or entering the clinic?
Bring yourself and your car. Your car should be prepared na ready for the driving that we're gonna do. So dapat walang loose parts, walang maluluwag na pyesa, walang leaks, so hindi nag-overheat. At maganda pa dapat ang gulong at brake pad ng iyong sasakyan. And then you just bring yourself and the helmet, even just a motorcycle helmet, pwede natin gamitin mo for practice.
So, yun nga, interest na sa mga outfit ba, Sir JP, yan, may kailangan na bang outfit?
Wala naman, basically, pag ganitong practice or clinic lang tayo, casual wear, we recommend that you wear pants and of course closed shoes. Pero, basically, bring yourself, kung may driver's license ka, yun yung gagamitin mo pang register. Pero yung mga ibang bata, we also accept young drivers na wala pang driver's license, so national driver's license. Ganito yun, kailangan may permiso ng magulang or ng guardian. Isa-sign nila yung waiver na pinapayagan nila yung kanilang anak or yung kanilang alaga na mag-participate dito sa event natin.
I think, syempre, I think ang kila Miss Pauline, Bautista.
Yes, marami tayong bata na mga driver na yun, mga upcoming.
At yes, Miss Pauline, support natin ang
shout out to yan sa mga batang driver natin, lalo na sa mga MSDP, Motorsports Development Program na participants natin. Hello sa inyo.
Yes, support natin ang Sir David. Boss, ano bang mga pwede mo mabigay na tips sa mga new drivers and car enthusiasts na gusto pumasok sa ganitong
Kung mahilig kayo, sali lang po kayo, punta kayo sa event namin. At yun, dalhin nyo ang inyong car, make sure it's well prepared para hindi nasisira at hindi mabitin yung araw ninyo. Kung magatuloy-tuloy yung ligaya natin na walang masisira sa inyong sasakyan, make sure that it's well prepared, walang leaks, walang loose parts, walang kailangang palitan at maganda yung preno at gulong. Number 2, yung best tip na may sasabi ko is, sa kalye kasi, pag nagda-drive tayo, hindi natin na-experience yung ganitong mga umiiyak yung gulong, na may preno tayo ng hard, tapos yung hard din tayo sa gas or sa throttle. So basically, pag mga first timers, relax, huwag kayong kabahan. Practice and build your confidence.
Yes, yun.
Confidence is very important.
Answer, Sir JP, minsan yan ang nagiging problem sa mga new drivers.
Yes,
pumasok sa into racing, nauunahan ng ng intimidation or
Kasi hindi talaga tayo nakaka-experience niyan sa kalye. Kumbaga, ang bagal natin, traffic dito sa kalsada natin, very unpredictable.
Boss, parang kota rin yata yung traffic.
Ganun nga di ba? Actually,
Actually,
what I can say is, pag natuto ka ng sport driving or ng performance driving dito sa mga event namin na ganito, you you can translate that and bring your skills and better drive on our roads. You'll be a
Yes,
safer driver. Ano kung nawawala yung gigil mo?
Nawawala.
Yung mga driver na may gigil, makikipagsingit-singit, tsaka yung mga medyo naguguligan sa kalye, dito natin ilabas yan. It's a safe space. Talagang ginawa natin event na to para magwalwal tayo ng sasakyan. Gawin natin yung mga hindi natin magawa sa kalsada. So dito, yung we push the cars beyond the limit that we see
Beyond
on
the
the street,
limit,
sa streets, and we get to do it in a safe environment.
Yo, tama yan. Siyempre, ano nga, sabi nga nila, pag nagre-race ka, not on the street, ano.
Yes, don't do it on the street. We have events. Support your local racetrack. Support your local motorsport events. Join us here at Super Speed.
Yun, okay. So, I'm sure, Sir JP, sobrang busy nyo, today. So, I'm sure meron kang gusto pa sa naman.
Yes, so...
invites tayo sa mga
Well,
gusto mo
mga
kumarin.
car crazy guys dyan, gusto nyo mag-drive ng matulin, gusto nyo matuto ng technical driving, ng sports or performance driving, kung tawagin namin, join us Super Sprint. Our next event is on May 17. The venue is to be announced. Find us on Facebook. Our page is called Super Sprint. And we'd like to thank, of course, our major sponsor, our title sponsor for this year, Toyota Manila Bay. Maraming salamat po, Toyota Manila Bay. And maraming salamat din po sa Project Vector, Parts Pro, at Fixed Stop Auto Service for supporting this season of the Super Sprint. And babanggitin ko na rin po, salamat po kay Sir Walter of Walter Lights and Sounds, Wika Residencia, Auto Performance Philippines, Dyno Pro Philippines, Clean Shine Master, Run Stop Philippines, Fabrics Eco Filters, Pegasus Auto Lamp Philippines, Aguila Auto Glass, Hazard Boy Performance, hello Edward, Grand Aid, Edgeport, Prototype Auto Restoration, and Red Bull Philippines. Thanks everyone. Let's keep motorsports going this year. Join our events and stay safe on the streets.
Alright, thank you, Sir JP.
Thank you very
Sobrang,
much, brother.
Gusto ko yung energy nito ni Sir JP. Marami akong matututunan.
Yes, kailangan medyo ano tayo dito intense tayo kasi intense din yung araw na tayo.
Okay, so, Sir JP, again, thank you very much.
Brother.
Thank you.
See you around, guys.
This is Auto Culture and this is Mike Conan.